Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. We are going to be making use of these 3 ingredients here to make apple and ginger fufu. Stay tuned and watch me do this. The second stage of this, after I must have sliced the apple and removed the skin of the ginger, I'm going to be extracting the juice out of the ginger and also from the apple. At this stage, I've already extracted the juice out of the ginger and the apple, and the two are mixed together. So I'm going to be adding it into a clean pot and bring it to boil. Another ingredient I'm going to be making use of is psyllium husk, as you can see it near the pot. Psyllium husk serves as a thickener. It helps the fufu to thicken itself. All you need to do here is to turn it constantly in order to avoid it from getting burnt. After it must have cooked for a while, I'm going to be introducing the psyllium husk. Constant turning is also needed here. At this stage, I'm going to stop cooking because it is ready. This is a low carb swallow, or you can say keto swallow, for those who are mindful of what they swallow, the kind of swallow they take. This is very healthy for you. The apple ginger swallow is ready to be served, and you can make use of any soup of your choice to eat this. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.